Hello and welcome to this video in which we're gonna talk about 5 possibilities to create a living on a minimum wage. Secrets to getting rich. The good news is that you can make a lot of money on minimum wage. I'd like to dispel a prevalent misconception that accumulating wealth requires a big income. It is true that having a bigger income makes things easier, but only if the money is spent wisely. If you watch the news, you've certainly heard about a few wealthy people who went bankrupt due to terrible spending habits. So before started, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to do not miss any new video. 1. Make an investment, no matter how small. Investing isn't easy on a minimal wage, especially if you're just starting out. Even before you consider investing, there are a slew of expenses to consider, including utilities, food, housing, transportation, and health. And these costs tend to eat up a significant portion of your earnings. With a modest wage and a large portion of it going toward basic requirements, there isn't much left over for investment, but even a small amount helps. When you put a tiny bit of money aside for a long period of time, it might grow into a significant sum. Compound interest is one of the reasons why investing works so effectively in terms of wealth building. This occurs when your interest earns interest, so increasing the amount of money in your account year after year. Before you invest in anything, do some research and figure out where you want to put your money. 2. Get started as soon as possible. The sooner you start investing your money, the less you'll have to save each month to achieve your objectives. Procrastination is a frequent characteristic among people. We put off things like finding our dream career, preparing for retirement, and making certain lifestyle adjustments because we believe we have unlimited time. However, time is one of the most potent assets for developing wealth for a low-income earner, and you must make the most of the time you have. Don't put things off or waste money because you believe you have months or years to acquire fortune. Also, don't believe that you don't earn enough money to save or that retirement is too far away. Even a small amount saved over time adds up. 3. Adopt a thrifty mindset. Frugality is often misunderstood, yet all it entails is being deliberate in your spending and financial management. Many individuals are poor not because they don't make enough money, but because they don't know how to keep what they have. Frugality allows you to distinguish between your necessities and your wants, allowing you to avoid wasting money on items you don't need. Aside from that, frugality is thought to be one of the quickest paths to financial freedom, allowing for early retirement. When you have a low salary, you must be attentive in how you save money in order to increase your wealth. You see, it is possible to have a happy life while also saving money. While your path to wealth may require you to be fiscally prudent while earning a low wage, you may still have fun and enjoy life. 4. Expense reduction. It's not as simple as it sounds to figure out how to minimize spending because you might not even realize you're overspending, and altering long-term habits can be difficult. There are, however, ways to lower your outflow so you can put more money toward your objectives and less to items that do not benefit your life or financial circumstances in the long run. You'll be more effective in saving for major things if you reduce your outflow and devote more money to financial goals. This will help you expand your net worth and generate genuine wealth over time. You can save extra money by canceling subscriptions that you no longer use, eating out less frequently, and giving yourself a grace period before purchasing something. 5. Set smart objectives. Goals are important for a variety of reasons. They lay out a specific road to your success and cut down on time spent attempting to reach your financial objectives. They also act as a source of motivation. Using the SMART goal framework is one method to improve your chances of reaching your objectives. You must be specific, quantifiable, achievable, practical, and timely in order to achieve this. When you set a goal that meets these 5 criteria, you are more likely to achieve it. Setting financial goals entails deciding exactly what you want, because things can and do change. Goals should be made and continuously monitored or recorded. They might be long or short-term in nature. Setting short and long-term financial objectives is a crucial step toward financial stability. You're more inclined to spend more than you should if you're not working toward a defined goal. Thinking ahead allows you to sort through potential scenarios and do your best to prepare for them. This should be a continuous process so that you can adapt your life and ambitions to the inevitable changes